Python offers numeric types to store numbers. Integers hold whole numbers, like 10 or -5. Floating point numbers store decimals, such as 10.5. Complex numbers, like 2 plus 3j, have real and imaginary parts. The Boolean type stores true or false values. Internally, true equals 1 and false equals 0. For example, adding true and false results in 1. Sequence types include strings, lists, tuples, and ranges. Strings store character sequences like hello world. Lists are ordered, mutable collections allowing duplicates. Tuples are ordered but immutable. Ranges generate sequences of numbers, often used in loops. Sets store unordered collections of unique items. A set is mutable, while a frozen set is immutable. For instance, a set with duplicate values will automatically remove duplicates. Dictionaries store key value pairs. They are unordered and mutable. For example, a dictionary can store a person's name, age, and city. Binary types include bytes, byte arrays, and memory views. Bytes are immutable sequences, while byte arrays are mutable. Memory views provide a view of binary data without copying it. None type represents the absence of a value, often used to signify nothing or null. Python allows type conversion, such as converting an integer to a float using the float function.